Hey guys, we're doing the random now for breaking case. Random is live. Participants, 21 spots. 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Players 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, so we got Trent Smith, Ben Simmons, Glenbow, Laurie Markinen, Kiwi with Zach Levine, Glenbow with Darren Fox, Druitt with Jason Tatum, Clayton Hughes with Kuzma, Daly with Towns, Jason Aero with Josh Jackson, Glenbow, Embiid, Charles with Jokic, Andrew Koch with Fultz, Dale with Donovan Mitchell, Coulson with Giannis, Dwayne with Jamal Murray, Cannon with Dennis Jr., Darren Gibbs, Alonzo, Andrew Hurley, Brandon Ingram, Cannon, Devin Booker, Kiwi, Anthony Davis, Glenbow, Porzingis, and Nick Powell with Jalen Brown. That's the teams. Oh, not the teams, the players. Here we go.